kind-hearted man is giving this thirsty armadillo a drink.
Beira do asfalto não é bom não, hein, bichão?
He was on his way home when he spotted the thirsty animal on the side of the road. The lost armadillo appeared to be far away from home and extremely thirsty.
Bebe?
The animal felt reluctant at first. It couldn't trust this strange man. But the animal will soon realize that his intentions are pure. Poor thing looks totally exhausted and confused.
E água pra ele, gente?
Looks like he has won the animal's trust.
Oh, tem mais, não, né?
It was lucky to be spotted by this good-hearted man.